What's going on, guys? It's Alexa back with another video, and today I'm actually going to be showing you guys a little snippet of what it's like to change the headlights on a 2012 Camaro. And this one is actually the LS model. I'm not sure if the model actually really matters when it comes to that. The headlights should all be the same as far as Camaros go. So my boyfriend Matt, he currently has the stock halogen headlights, I believe. So with this new kit, he's actually going to be installing some halo lights, which are more like what are on my Camaro, which is the 2SS model. So those already come with halos. He ordered some offline. Can you tell them where you actually got these headlights?
We got these off of eBay, and they are halos.
Okay. And so, is there a brand name with these?
There isn't. I just found some that looked reliable. Somebody that had sold some a couple of times and got good reviews and liked the way they looked. Checked the pictures out a little bit, and I'm just about to take my old ones off and put these in.
Yeah, the reviews matter, so make sure you guys always check those out whenever you're buying from Amazon or eBay, because there's been plenty of times where I almost bought stuff and people review it and they say it was terrible. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money. So, but yeah, we're gonna see how these look. They look great already, but we're just gonna give you guys kind of a rundown. It's not gonna be a step-by-step, but it's definitely gonna be a before and after. So here's his Camaro, 2012 LS V6 manual transmission. We're gonna slowly start working on this. It's his friend Mike. What up? Another mechanic in the house. So here's what our typical headlights look like. Hey, you gotta turn it on for them to come on? Dang, that's messed up. Okay, so here's what the headlights look like right now. You know, they're very factory, very yellow. So I'm excited to see what the new ones look like, so you guys have an idea. But yep, there's a before, and I'll chime in with you guys once we start taking it apart.
I need a bigger hole.
Let me see. It's not a 10.
It doesn't feel like it. Right here?
No, wait.
Because see, this is right the one. Here. This one.
Yeah, that should be a 10 millimeter.
Unless I'm tripping. Hold on.
Let me show them the screw that y'all are talking about.
Oh, it is. Oh,
okay. Did they put that one on backwards too?
Yeah, this is in reverse.
Let's see.
Yeah.
So this is the problem we're running into, guys.
This should be the head of this bolt. This bolt right here should be on this side. So you see how you have more room
to pull out,
to be able to take a power tool or whatever and sit right here and just pull it out and hold it on the nut side and that side with your wrench right here. It's reverse.
Yeah.
But see, everybody doesn't have a tool that can get in this small space right here like that.
Yeah. So I don't know why they did it that way, and that was at a Chevy dealership. So I don't know. But that's the only hang up we're having right now, is trying to get these backward screws off. Other than that, we're making progress.
Like a glove.
Yeah, so once the bumper comes off, that's the hardest part right there, hopefully. Bumper is finally off, so be sure you guys allow plenty of time for that, and make sure you have a lot of tools. How many different tools do you guys need to get that bumper off?
I would say as long as you have some, make sure you have some extenders. Definitely need
Power tools.
Definitely real quick.
You even use this at one point. That what's that called? The curved one that looks like a crank.
Oh yeah, it's like a crank. I used to use that when I was parking.
Oh.
And then this is just an electric ratchet, right? Yeah. Electric ratchet. You definitely need this. If you don't have this, you probably gonna struggle because a lot of these bolts are hard to get you back behind you.
We do a lot of cussing.
Yeah, a lot of cussing.
All right, here's an up close look at the stock headlights. Gonna take these two bolts off. Is there anything else that's holding these up under here?
It's another bolt.
Oh yeah, one right here.
Well.
And one under there.
Then we're gonna have to.
You gotta disconnect your
We
light.
have to rewire it to the new headlights so that
Daytime running lights.
daytime running lights.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, I figured it's usually full.
Now what? That's all it looks for, just this.
Clip?
Yeah.
I figured, yeah, that's what the word I was looking for, is a clip. Unplug these. That's a safety switch, yeah.
That's it. Now, into the pull.
Clamp right here.
That's a weird clamp.
Voila.
Old headlight out. Now we do the same thing to the other side.
You gotta switch. Do they come with new bulbs too, or you gotta switch the bulbs?
It's got new bulbs.
Yeah, because these aren't the same type of bulbs.
Yeah, it's got new bulbs and everything.
It's a shame we got to do all this wiring. I was hoping it would be more of a plug and play install. Alright, so one headlight's installed. Ooh, got a little thunder outside too. So I was asking them, these wiring, this wiring setup is something that I definitely would have been a little foreign to, because I'm so used to plug and play modifications on my car, so you have to do a little bit of extra wiring. But they included these quick connect clamps in here with this kit. So essentially, if you don't have a soldering iron,
Quick connect.
best way to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
What it is the reason you have more wiring for it is because you're adding more lights to it, because you've got your LEDs
Which is the
around
ring
the
around it,
outside,
yep.
which is your ring, and then you have your actual headlight along with your turn signal. So you're gonna have a little bit of splicing that you're gonna have to do. These quick connects make it a whole lot easier if you know how to, properly splice, or however you want to call
solder
it,
or anything.
or solder
Like,
or
go
anything.
right
You
ahead,
can do
yeah.
it that way too, but these make your life a whole lot easier.
Yeah, but it's good that they included that. So
Yes. So what we want to do is you want to slide your negative in here. Then you want to take the headlight portion of it, stick it in this side, and you can tell which side it goes in there because on the back, you can see it's got, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, it's got a back on it.
Yeah, so there's nothing that goes through it. Yeah.
It doesn't push all the way through. So you want to take the pieces coming from your headlight. I like to twist it a little bit so it's easier to slide in there.
Yeah.
Push that all the way, make sure that's all the way to the back. Bring your clamp all the way over. Secure it down. Then once you have it secured down, then you just use a pair of pliers.
And it's in there.
And it's in there.
Yep.
We're good to go. Then you just repeat that process for the middle. You may want to check for your car. For my car, it's this middle brown wire here that this red wire goes to. But it does vary from car to car, so like we said in the beginning of the video, it's not a how-to, so don't exactly copy which wires are being hooked up. You always want to make sure you check.
And black is always negative, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But you also, want to double check and make sure because wires vary from vehicle to vehicle. So we're just gonna do the same thing right here.
Yep. And then after that, and once you turn the car on and make sure everything's good to go, it's 4 screws that hooked up the headlight to the frame, and it was a clamp that we had to fight to get off at the top. So just be wary of that. All right, let's see. Prepares to be blinded.
I like that shit works on the first half.
I know, right? Yes. So these are the daytime running lamps on the outside. Looks good. They're going to be on all the time. Then when he turns the car on is when the headlight actually comes on. Yeah, buddy. Looks good. Yeah, put everything back is the next part. So we made sure everything works. Just put everything back to where we found it. So I'll show you guys what it looks like with the bumper back on and everything. And maybe I'll try to show it in a dark room too. But these already look a lot brighter, so I can't wait to see what they look like outside. I wanted to try it. I never get to use power tools like talking about. I always use this manual screwdriver. Alright guys, here is the finished product. Look like eyeballs to me. Now see if I can get an angle where the camera can differentiate between the LED and the headlight itself, but it's a very, very clean setup. So the headlamp itself is not as blue as I thought it was going to be, but the LED rings on the outside are pretty dope. Is it brighter when you're driving?
It's a little bit brighter.
Okay.
Because the LEDs add that extra illumination.
Right,
But if the center bulb here was LED, which I'm probably going to swap out.
I was like, that's changeable.
Know the center bulb was, but that's my fault. I didn't check it.
Yeah.
But either way, I'm happy with it with the halos. But that center bulb right there, definitely, I'm probably going to swap that out for an LED headlight, and I'll probably just do that at the same time I throw my fog lights in. But other than that, I'm happy with it. It's clean.
Even the turn signal looks clean too.
Everything.
So. But yeah, I like it. I'd say, and it was how much again?
210.
210. Okay.
210 altogether.
Yeah, it still changes the look of the car, so that's pretty dope. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm sorry it wasn't super detailed and instructional, but this is just kind of giving you guys an idea about it. So, he thinks it's worth it. It is brighter, but of course you can do what you want with this setup. I think it's pretty cool. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you guys can see me. please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I do post twice a week, so there's always something cool for you to watch. So thank you guys again, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.